JDF Soldiers Charged for raping Trainee at Upper Camp. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. Two Jamaica Defense Force soldiers, JDF, have been charged with breaches of Sexual Offense Act following an incident at the JDF headquarters at Upper Camp in St. Andrew on Thursday, March 11. The accused are Private Michael Grant, age 22, of St. Mary Address, and Anouk Moncrief, 19, of a St. Catherine Address. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m., the now complainant, a JDF trainee, along with a male companion, were at an abandoned building when Grant and Moncrief entered. It is alleged that both soldiers demanded money from the complainant and her companion and subsequently sent the male companion to get the cash. It is further alleged that Grant had sexual intercourse with the woman against her will and then forced her to carry out other sexual acts while Moncrief kept watching. Following the incident, the matter was reported to the Jamaica Constabulary Force Center for Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, Sisoko, on March 11th. On Thursday, March 18, Grant was charged with rape, grievous sexual assault, and robbery with aggravation, while Moncrief was charged with aiding and abetting rape, grievous sexual assault, and robbery with aggravation. They are scheduled to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Monday, March 29. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.